Want to know if your ads are attracting first-time buyers? I'll show you how to track it in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Now here it is, it's new to buyer orders, NTB orders, and this is for the number of first-time orders for products within the brand over a year, right? So you can see how many first-time buyers are you actually getting on your listing, right? Or are your ads just targeting people who've purchased from you before? Usually you want to have new customers because new customers tell other people and then they repeat purchases, right? So you always want to be seeing how many new time buyers. So you're just going to go into columns, customize columns, and you're going to see the NTB orders. Just make sure you click on that and then you're going to see them. Now this doesn't work for sponsored products. It's only for sponsored brands and sponsored display. So if you do know sponsored brands and sponsored display, you can go here. It's sponsored brands, sponsored display. When you run these campaigns, your job is to show your brand name and get new customers to you. If you're not tracking, if your ads are actually connecting and getting new customers, then you're not tracking ads properly. So make sure you add this new feature in. I just showed you how to add it. And the biggest thing about this is it's so important because you definitely want to know if you're attracting new customers that haven't purchased from your brand in the last year, and your ads aren't just retargeting the same customers over and over again. Because if the customer is already happy, you don't want to target them again and again and again. You want to bring in new people, new customers. And the new customers can contribute to the customer lifetime value because they're going to be making more repeat purchases. And by tracking NTB orders, which is the new first-time buyer orders, you can estimate future revenue potential of these new customers, which isn't fully captured in ROAS or ACoS. New time first buyer orders can also help you evaluate whether your actual sponsored brands or sponsored display are doing well. Because if they're only targeting customers that have already purchased from you and they're buying it, they're probably going to be buying it from you again. So you want to be targeting new customers. That way you grow your brand and your overall sales. But that's it for today's video. Do you think new to brand metrics are worth tracking for your brand? Let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, managing your ads, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we'll manage your ads, we'll optimize your designs, your SEO, we'll call Amazon, do your customer service, and of course, increase your sales for you. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business, tracking metrics, optimizing your own listings. We'll do it for you so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.